In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote your dropshipping store on Instagram completely for free using only organic methods. So if you're just starting your store and don't want to spend money on ads, this video is going to help you build your brand, reach new customers, and start getting sales without any paid promotion. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll also share some bonus tips that most beginners ignore, but they can really boost your store growth. And by the way, if you're still looking for winning products to add to your store, I highly recommend checking out Sell the Trend. It's one of the best tools to find trending dropshipping products and connect them directly to your store. You'll find the link in the description, and through that link, you can try it completely free for 14 days during sign-up. Let's start with the basics. When you're promoting a dropshipping store on Instagram, the first thing you need is a professional-looking profile. People make judgments in the first 3 seconds of visiting your page, so your bio, your profile photo, and your username all need to represent your brand clearly. For example, if you're selling home decor items, make sure your username and bio reflect that niche, and your profile picture should be your store logo or something clean and simple. A strong first impression makes people more likely to follow and trust your page. Now, once your profile's ready, the next step is content. Instagram is a visual platform, so your posts and reels need to stand out. The good news is you don't need expensive cameras or paid editing software. You can use free tools like Canva or CapCut to design product posts, make short product demo videos, or even create engaging reels. For dropshipping, try to focus more on lifestyle content instead of just plain product photos. So, if you're selling a water bottle, don't just post the product on a table. Instead, show someone using it at the gym or outdoors. This helps people imagine themselves using the product, and that's what really drives sales. Consistency is also very important. Instagram rewards accounts that post regularly. So instead of posting randomly once every few weeks, try to stay consistent with at least 3 to 5 posts per week and a couple of reels. Reels are especially powerful because they can reach thousands of people organically, even if your account is new. A single viral reel can bring hundreds of followers to your store page, so make sure you're making short, catchy, and relatable reels for your niche. Stories are another powerful tool you should use daily. When you post stories, your followers are constantly reminded of your store and products. You can post behind the scenes, customer reviews, or quick polls like, which color do you prefer, black or white? This not only engages your audience, but also makes them feel more connected to your brand. The more people engage with your stories, the higher your chances of appearing on their feed regularly. Hashtags are completely free, and they still work if you use them the right way. Instead of using random hashtags like love or happy, focus on niche-specific hashtags related to your products. For example, if you sell fitness gear, use hashtags like home workout, fit lifestyle, or gym accessories. This way, your posts will be shown to people who are already interested in your niche. Don't spam with too many hashtags, just pick a mix of broad and specific ones for better results. Engagement is one of the biggest secrets to growing on Instagram organically. A lot of beginners just post content and wait for followers, but that's not enough. You need to actively engage with your audience. Reply to every comment, answer DMs quickly, and even comment on other posts in your niche. For example, if you sell beauty products, go to popular beauty accounts, leave thoughtful comments, and follow some people in that niche. Many of them will check out your page and follow you back if your profile looks professional. Another free strategy is collaborating with small influencers or micro-creators. You don't need to pay them. Many of them are happy to promote in exchange for a free product sample. Even if you're dropshipping, you can order one product to your home, create content with it, and then send it to a micro-influencer to review. Their audience already trusts them, so when they mention your product, it can bring you real buyers without spending a single dollar on ads. And this is where tools like Sell the Trend can really help, because instead of guessing which products might work, you can instantly find winning products that influencers will be more excited to share. Again, the link in the description gives you a free 14-day trial, so you can test it out yourself. One thing people often forget is optimizing captions. Don't just write boring one-line captions like new product available. Instead, use captions to tell a short story or highlight the benefit of your product. For example, if you're selling a posture corrector, your caption could say, "Tired of back pain after long hours at the desk? Our posture corrector helps you sit straighter, feel better, and stay more productive every day." This kind of caption connects emotionally and encourages people to take action. Instagram Reels and posts can bring you followers, but to convert them to buyers, you need to build trust. One great way to do that is through social proof. Whenever you get a positive customer review, screenshot it and post it as a story or highlight. If possible, ask customers to send short videos using your product and then repost them. When new visitors see real people using your products, they're more likely to buy from your store. You should also take advantage of Instagram highlights. Create highlight folders like reviews, bestsellers, new arrivals, or FAQ. This way, whenever someone visits your page, they can quickly learn everything about your store without scrolling too much. Highlights make your page look organized and professional, which increases the chances of turning visitors into customers. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated free strategies, Instagram SEO. Nowadays, people use Instagram like a search engine. They type keywords into the search bar to find products. So make sure your username, bio, and even captions contain keywords from your niche. For example, if you sell pet accessories, use words like dog collars, pet toys, or cat lovers in your bio and captions. This makes your page more discoverable when people search for those terms. Another organic method is to use Instagram groups and communities. Join engagement groups in your niche where people like and comment on each other's posts. This boosts your reach in the algorithm. Also, network with other small store owners. Sometimes collaborations like giveaways or shoutouts can help both accounts grow together without spending money on ads. Don't forget about the power of Instagram Live. Going live helps you connect with your audience in real time. You can show your products, answer questions, and even demonstrate how something works. Lives often get pushed to the top of the feed, so it's a great way to get noticed. Even if only a few people join in the beginning, over time it can become a powerful tool for building trust. One more tip is to make use of user-generated content. If a customer posts a picture of your product, always ask permission and repost it. This creates a community feeling around your brand and encourages more customers to share their experiences. The more people see others enjoying your products, the more confident they feel in buying from you. And remember, growth doesn't happen overnight. Organic promotion takes time, but the advantage is that it builds a loyal audience who actually trust your brand. Unlike ads, where people may buy once and disappear, organic followers stick around and become repeat customers. So be patient, stay consistent, and keep experimenting with new ideas. So, to quickly recap, promote your store on Instagram for free by setting up a professional profile, posting consistent content with reels and stories, using niche-specific hashtags, engaging with your audience, collaborating with micro-influencers, sharing customer reviews, optimizing your captions and bio, and building trust through highlights, lives, and user-generated content. All of these methods are free, and if you stick to them, your store will start attracting real customers over time. That's it for today's video. Now you know how to promote your store on Instagram without spending a single dollar on ads. And if you're serious about growing your store faster, don't forget to check out Sell the Trend. The link is in the description, and when you sign up with that link, you can try it completely free for 14 days during sign up. It's a great way to explore winning products while applying all the organic strategies we talked about today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more dropshipping and e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.